At the center of this white 1960s home, a black ribbon begins to spiral. It rises between the original walls like a metal sculpture, but it does more than connect the two floors. With its curved shape and dark finish, the staircase becomes the heart of the renovation, standing out against the white brick, exposed concrete beams, and straight lines of the original house. Located in Tel Aviv, the home was originally designed by Noy Pedro Architects. Decades later, Broides Architects adapted it for its new owners, who also use part of the house as a workspace. On the main floor, the brick wall was painted white, but it still organizes the layout. The living and work areas are on one side. On the other are the kitchen, dining area, and the opening to the garden. Instead of turning the entire floor into one large open room, the wall creates distinct spaces that still feel connected. The renovation did not try to erase what was already there. The main structure, the connection to the garden, the original brick wall, and the concrete beams were all preserved. But the new additions do not try to imitate the older architecture. They introduce their own shapes, materials, and colors. The new black metal spiral staircase introduces a curved form into a house defined mostly by straight lines. It has a strong visual presence, but it is also completely functional. Upstairs, the bedrooms and bathrooms are hidden behind a long mustard yellow wood wall. The doors blend into the paneling, making the private rooms feel like one continuous surface rather than a row of separate entrances. The house also responds differently to each side of the property. At the back, the kitchen and dining area open toward the garden. At the front, metal-framed windows with frosted glass bring in natural light without exposing the family's daily life to the street. The renovation relies on a few clear contrasts: the white brick of the original house, the black staircase, the restored concrete, and the mustard yellow wall upstairs. Each period remains easy to recognize. The original home is still present in the walls, the beams, and its connection to the garden. The new intervention appears through color, metal, transparency, and movement. And at the center of it all, a black spiral marks exactly the point where a new chapter of the house began.